Kohima district bhitor thaka police station kan namite CCTV installation laga inaugural program ekta Wednesday din North Police Station Kohima de luje. Chief Minister Nephiu Rio special guest takishe. Deputy Chief Minister Patton, DGP Rupin Sharma, alak officials aro police officials kan shamil takishe. Iro homoy CM Rio kuishe ki sarkar chola homoy resource kan generate koribol lage aro alak technologies kan jagade thakibole lage. Iru logot CM itubi kuishe ki uniform de thaka bishi jun drug loi ase aro itu do control koribol lage. Kile mane sarkar aro department laga opor de nam bia ahibo. Iru logot Patton bi kuishe ki inika surveillance thakabra police station kande custodial torture laga menace ke komti koribo. Patton itubi kuishe ki police officer kando din rati manulaga safety aro security nimite kaam kore. Itu karone tai khan ke dhanyawad dibo lage.
Latest technology of electronic surveillance will deter those who misuse the power vested upon them by law and violate basic human rights. Such means of surveillance will drastically curb the menace of custodial torture in police stations. This will also bring transparency to the work culture of police at a police station level and encourage ethical practices. Most importantly, it will give a sense of security to the common public to approach the police for reporting of crimes. The public trust in our police force is crucial, and I urge all our citizens to cultivate a deep appreciation for our police officers. They are the very individuals who work tirelessly day in and day out, ensuring our neighborhood remain safe and peaceful. Furthermore, they offer numerous essential services for the public welfare, a testament to their multifaceted role in society. In conclusion, none of this would be this easy without the vision and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister.
An effort where the police is reaching out to the people and increase trust of the public in the police and the state government. So I would request to convey to the media and others also that increased registration of cases should not be taken, otherwise it should be seen as enhancement of trust in the police force. Sir, we have been projecting our problems to the government and I am very hopeful of all the support. This is a small, hurriedly put function with a small premises. We had to, by your grace and because of your presence today, we were able to do a little bit of cleaning up of the premises here also. So thank you for the presence because of that. And sir, as you would see, there's a lot of encroachment and all going on. So if I could take this opportunity here, that we need some funding for putting it.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.